Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Welcome back to class Cikgu Mahani. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the survivors of the ant animal species. Okay, before that, we have to know what are the definition for the survivors of the ant animal species. Okay, actually, the species, okay, the survivor of the species, it means that the ability animals to maintain their species to avoid from the extinctions. Okay, now, okay, how this animal going to protect themselves from the enemy? Okay, do you know what the specific characteristic and the behavior for this animal to avoid from extinction or to avoid from the enemies? Okay, now we are going to discuss about this matter. Okay, okay, now specific characteristics of the animal means that it can protect them from the enemies. Okay, what kind of the specific characteristic of the animal? So we look at here. Okay, now they have a hard scales. Okay, they have a sharp spines. They have a sharp horns. They have a patterns that resembles fake eyes on the body, right? And then they have a stings release the venoms. They have a sharp claws. Okay, they have a hard shells. They also produce the bad smells. Okay, and then they have a strong leg muscle. Okay, now all these specific characteristics, they can protect themselves from the enemies. Okay. Okay, some animal, they have a specific behaviors to protect themselves from the enemies. Okay, let's us identify what this special behavior they have. Okay, for example, they have a splitting out the blood in, okay, from their body, and then they can curling out the body. Okay, now some of the animal, they rising quill with the sharp spine. Okay, okay, certain of the animal, they have inflating the body that have a sharp spine. Okay, for example, the animal, they have a special behavior. They live in the group. Okay, live together in the group, and then okay, okay, sometimes this animal withdrawing parts of the body into the shell. They have a hard shell. Okay, now, okay, for let's see, another of the specific behaviors. Now, some of the animal, they have a detaching parts of the body. It means that the body will be break off, right, from the body. Okay,